Close your eyes and then go to your dad. Wow. Wow. Ayaw pag salipod-pod. Hi. Oh, open your eyes.
What is it? What is it? Can you guess it?
Wow.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes. Wow.
It's a flower.
Wow.
Butterfly. And here is your
Dress. Wow.
It's a girly gift. Do you like it? How much do you like it? Wow. Love you, Daddy. Love you. Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy.
Oy.
Ilalayo pa si Boy Boy.
Oy. Oy. Beautiful.
Take it home, okay?